The Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven is compact in size, yet spacious enough to air fry up to 2.5 pounds of food at once with minimal noise and maximum ease. With features of full-size models, this innovative unit has 6 functions: convection bake and convection broil, air fry, toast, bagel, and warm. Air frying is a healthier alternative to deep frying in oil. A high-velocity fan and an upper heating element circulates the air to prepare a variety of foods that are both delicious and healthier than traditionally fried foods. Air fry favorites such as chicken wings. Toast 4 slices of bread or bagel halves at once to serve up a quick and easy breakfast. Bake a 3-pound chicken in less than 60 minutes and save time with easy cleanup. The Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven has temperatures of up to 450 degrees and offers great performance without crowding the countertop. It's so simple to use. Turn the knobs to select function, time, and temperature. Enjoy all the crunch without the calories. The Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven.
Introducing the Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven from BLACK+DECKER. It combines 2 kitchen appliances into one. All the convenience of a countertop toaster oven, now with air fry technology. The air fry function is so easy to use. Just fill the frying basket, turn the function to air fry, and set the time. No preheat necessary. You can make French fries, frozen snacks, cuts of meat, and more. While a deep fryer submerges food in high-fat oil, the air fryer uses convection technology to circulate high-intensity hot air. This method adds a delicious crisp to your favorite fried foods, all with little to no added oil. You also get classic toaster oven performance with functions like toast, broil, bake at specific temperature, and keep food warm. Set the cook timer for predictable results, or use the stay on function for longer cooking tasks. With the toasting function, use the shade timer to get the exact results you want. The Crisp and Bake comes in 2 sizes to fit your family's needs. Make toast for big breakfasts, pizza for the party, or a full pan for family dinner. The larger model fits a 9 by 13 inch pan with handles, so you can use the pans you already own. The ease and convenience of a toaster oven, now with air frying, a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods. You get it all with the Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven, only from BLACK+DECKER.
What if you could cook amazing food with very little effort every day of the week? What if you had more time for the things that matter most? Welcome to Life with Brava, a countertop oven that can cook a complete dinner in half the time with 1 tray, all at the touch of a button. It's the first oven to truly sear. Its speed makes food tastier and juicier, and it's smart, guiding you to the results you want every time. This is all made possible by Pure Light Cooking. We harness the power of Pure Light to deliver delicious food within minutes, twice as fast as traditional methods. We can go from 0 to over 500 degrees in under a second, eliminating the need for preheat. Let the oven guide you to tender salmon fillets with crispy skin, to juicy steaks perfectly seared and cooked to your preferred doneness. Complete dinners featuring 3 different ingredients, each cooked to a different temperature, all at the same time, all on the same tray. No more worrying about over or undercooking ever again. For the most customized cooking experience, you can take full control of our lamps. All of this with little mess and only 1 tray to clean. Use your own groceries and find cooking inspiration in the Brava app. Or for busier nights, shop our marketplace for a carefully sourced selection of exceptional ingredients and meals to be delivered to your door. That's why we designed Brava. To give you more time for the things that matter most. Connecting. Sharing moments. Loving what you eat. And how you feel every day. Brava. Make home your favorite place to eat.
The Breville Smart Oven Air with super convection is a real superhero. The power of super convection generates extreme air circulation for fast and even cooking. It reduces cooking time by 30% and makes techniques like air frying, dehydrating, roasting or proofing super simple. It's supersized, 1 cubic foot, and allows you to roast a perfectly brown 14-pound turkey. It also fits a 5-quart Dutch oven, most 9 by 13-inch pans, standard 12-cup muffin trays, and 9 slices of toast. Our Element IQ technology uses 6 independent quartz heating elements to move the power where it's needed most, above and below the food. Advanced PID temperature control reduces overshoot to deliver precise and stable cooking temperatures. With 13 easy-to-use pre-programmed settings and interface,